Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss yet another important and conceptual problem from definite integrals involving absolute value function, right? So here we have to find the value of this definite integral which is from 0 to 3, and we have a mod of 2 minus x, right? So let us first call this integral as I, right? So now here what we will do, we'll make use of the definition of absolute value function. So here let us assume f of x is equal to a mod of 2 minus x, right? So now this integral I can be written as 0 to 3, integral from 0 to 3, and here we have f of x dx, right? Okay, so now let us first find out the intervals where this function takes the negative and positive values, right? So now what we will do, we'll find the critical points. So critical points are obtained by equating the expression which is inside these two vertical lines. So we have 2 minus x is equal to 0. So we have 2 is equal to x, right? So x is equal to 2 is the point where we have to break the limit, right? So now we have the limits, that is 0 is the lower limit and 3 is the upper limit, and here we have 2. So now we'll split this integral first from 0 to 2 and then from 2 to 3, right? So now I can be written as the sum of two integrals I1 and I2, right? So I1 goes from 0 to 2, so we have 0 to 2 mod of 2 minus x dx, and I2 is from 2 to 3, and we have mod of 2 minus x dx, right? Okay, so now let us apply the property of absolute value function. So when this x lies between 0 and 2, right? So when x lies between 0 and 2, then we see that the value of mod of 2 minus x is positive 2 minus x, right? So when x lies between 0 and 2, then mod of 2 minus x is equal to positive 2 minus x, and when x lies between 2 and 3, right, from 2 and 3, then the value of mod of 2 minus x is negative 2 minus x, right? So now f of x can be replaced by positive 2 minus x in this expression or in this integral, and mod of 2 minus x is equal to negative of 2 minus x in this integral, right? So now this integral can be written as 0 to 2, and for mod of 2 minus x we have positive 2 minus x dx, and in this integral, that is from 2 to 3, mod of 2 minus x is equal to negative 2 minus x, right? So now here we have two integrals to solve. So now this can be written as 0 to 2 and 2 minus x dx, and here we have plus 2 to 3, and we have minus 2 plus x dx, right? So now we can easily find out the values of these two integrals. So here we have the integral of 2 dx is 2x, and integral of x dx is x square over 2, right? And the limits of integration are from 0 to 2, and here we have integral of minus 2 dx is minus 2x, and here we have plus x square over 2, and the limits are from 2 to 3, right? So now we'll substitute the limits in this expression and in this expression, and we'll take the difference here, and let us calculate the value of these two expressions. So now here we have I is equal to, so when we'll take x is equal to 2 here, so we have 4 minus 2 square is 4 over 2, that is simply 2, and when we'll take x is equal to 0, both the terms reduces to 0, so we have 0 minus 0, right? And here we have when x is 3, so we have minus 6 plus 3 square is 9 over 2, and when we take x is equal to 2, we have minus 4 plus 2 square is 4 over 2, that is 2, right? Okay, so now this is 4 minus 2 is 2, and here we have 0, and here we have minus 6 plus 9 over 2, and here we have minus and minus 2, right? So now 2 minus 6 is minus 4, and here we have 9 over 2, and this is plus 2, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, plus here we have 9 over 2, and this is minus 4 plus 9 over 2, that is 5 over 2, right? Which can also be written as 2.5, right? So viewers, the value of this definite integral is 5 over 2 or 2.5.